Do you need permission from your local utility company to install solar on your home? This is a question that comes up for us all the time when we do system design. This is Logan with NAWS, and the short answer to that question is no. Obviously, there's exceptions depending on your type of application and desired functionality, but there's actually a bit of a misconception out there these days that any system that's connected to the grid has to get permission or an agreement from your utility company. Now, in most cases, your utility really only cares if you're pushing power back onto their grid. So in other words, if you have a straight grid-tied system without battery backup, that system is designed to export your excess solar production to the utility company. In a case like that, you definitely need to get the interconnection agreement with your utility. Now, if that doesn't apply to you, maybe you have a grid interactive system, or you have a grid tie system with battery backup, or maybe your system's completely off grid and the utility company isn't even present. In those cases, you don't necessarily have to get permission or an agreement from your utility company, because in systems like those, we're only pulling power from the grid and not pushing power to them. Of course, you may still need to work with your local AHJ, your authority having jurisdiction, for any sort of structural or code compliance in any type of system, regardless of the equipment being used or application. So I hope that shed a little more light on this topic. If you're not sure whether or not you need to get permission from your utility for your system, give us a call, send us an email, we're happy to advise. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're going to be posting a lot more videos answering common questions like this. Thank you for watching.